Hello, this is a tutorial to show you how to create a copy of your digital notebook for science and share it with me. So please go to Google Classroom first and scroll all the way down. You're going to see the first post, which is called Unit 1. There you see different documents. The one we want to focus on today is digital notebook. You click on it. As it is, you don't have access, you cannot edit this document. That's why we have to make a copy. You're going to go to File, make a copy, and you're going to save it in the folder that we created last week called Science 9 and Your Name. Since I don't have that folder, I'm just going to save it here where it says Science Material. And I'm going to click Select. Then I'm going to click OK. If you want to, you can erase this part that says Copy Off and just type your name. Then OK. And we're almost done. The last step is to share the document with me by clicking Share. And then add my email right here. Click Done, and that's it. Hope this helps. Thank you.